Howdy, 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 everyone. Here we are again. Another kitty automatic litter box. This one is Fumoi Smart Cat Litter Box. If you guys remember, I had a Furrowmate. I purchased it probably August of 2017. And that litter box lasted about a year. The big issue with it was that the liner inside the litter box expanded, and Gabby and I could not find a new liner for it. So the liner wore out, litter started getting in behind, down into the wheels, and it just became a huge problem to clean. But this litter box here, I think I read it does not have a liner. So that was one of the other pluses to this. And the cost. It was only $199 on Amazon. And it took it about a week to come. And it does look like it has happy kitties on it. So that's a good way to start. All right, Gabby, the first thing that I noticed about this litter box was it's heavy. Let's see if a girl with
I'm a woman.
the woman with the muscles that you have, look at the strength. Oh my God, oh, her face. Oh, put it on the ground. Can you put it on the ground? We're gonna open it. Put it on the ground.
Literally not that.
Wow. Look at the strength on that one.
Literally not that.
It's all that working out at Crunch. It's getting you that power.
That's true.
All right, Gabby, let's crank this bad boy open. Let's see what we got in here. Coco is very interested in what's this litter box. Coco, this is not where you poop. This is where kitty cats poop. No dogs allowed to poop in here. Or let's crack this bad boy open. Here we go. Let me just crank this open. Here we go. Oh, there it is. We got some instruction. It looks like right off the bat.
God dang,
Wow, that's a large set of instructions. It's bigger than, it's the size of Sadie. Sadie, what do you think? Look, yeah, let's do a comparison size. Instructions are as big as Sadie Mae is. Sadie seems to feel uncomfortable with them, so. All right, so very large, very large instructions. Tells you the accessory list, all the pieces you have, and then it's got the product installation guide, which it looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 8 easy steps. Well, let's see if it's 8 easy steps. This has a large drum. It's a 92 liter drum, it says. And I'm wondering right now if Ramsey's gonna fit in that thing. Alrighty. I have taken the litter mate out. You can see in relation to the Coco, it's not terribly big. I think it's actually looks like it might be about the same size as the litter mate was. We got a lot of tape on here. We'll get all this off. Alrighty. We got so it's got the thing inside it. It has it looks like it goes up on top of that little stand there. So this thing has gravity sensors ×2. So it tells you the weight. It has infrared sensors ×4. So it tells you when your cat's in there or not. It's got motor overload protection. So I guess it won't burn the engine up. And it tells you what not to do. It also has an app that you can actually enable it to move the litter box or clean the litter box anytime you want to. And it'll also tell you the weight of the animal that's in there. Just took the adhesive tapes off. It says press and hold the clasps on both sides of the cover to lift it up and remove the top cover. Gabby is still finagling with the tape.
Hard to do with my nails.
It's hard to do with her nails. Cut those nails off.
No.
So we can get this litter box up and running. And there's this little clasp on the side here, and you just shove them in, and the whole lid just pops right off like that. And now we're inside the drum here. Gabby, we need to get them instructions off that table over there. Coco's taking a seat, and this dog licking the heck out of me all the time. Alrighty, let's see here. So rule number 2, take out the waste collection bin support legs, cat litter bags, fragrance box, user manual adapter, and brush from inside the drum through the top opening. Ensure the drum is properly fixed in the slots before reinstalling the cover. So we're gonna take this out. That's the litter box. It's nice. We got, I don't know what's in here. We'll open that. I don't know what's in here. We'll open that up in a second. We have, looks like some, I guess those are litter box bags. What are you doing? This looks like a brush to clean it. Looks like an instruction manual. Oh, and here's the litter box bags. Lots of, oh, there's 2 of them in there. They give you lots of bags. So that's pretty good. And then this comes out. And then this tape, looks like this whole thing can come. There's tape all over the place on this thing. It looks like this tape, this whole thing will come out. This whole barrel will come out. Be shorts, yes, there we go. The whole barrel comes right off. And you can remove all this tape. Gabby really over there struggling with that tape.
I'm not.
And there we go. Alrighty, it's telling us to take the 4 legs and insert the 4 legs. Looks like on the bottom here. So there's the legs. And they just slide in like that. Alrighty, so we got the legs on. You can see it tells you how to put the legs on there. It says take out the garbage bag and fit over the waste collection bin at the bottom. Ensure that no protrusions and edges are facing downward. Insert the fragrance box into the slot at the front end of the waste collection bin. Alrighty, there's the waste collection bin.
What's the fragrance box?
There's our, I don't know, is there a fragrance box? Is this a fragrance box? Maybe this is a fragrance box.
Oh.
I think this is our fragrance box. I bet you it is. Please peel before using. Yes. Where does the fragrance box go?
I don't know. What did it say in the front?
I think that's what it said. Insert the fragrance box into the slot at the front of the waste collection bin.
Oh, this thing.
I guess like that, yeah. You gotta peel you gotta make sure you pull the sticker off so the smellies get out there.
I guess.
It says put it in front. And there it is. You might want to turn it the other way though with the fragrance smelling out. She broke it. She broke it, Coco.
My bad, Cookie.
Sadie's falling asleep over here. She's bored as heck. She said, this is the most boring thing I've ever seen. In the background, you can see a cat just snooping around. All right, fragrance box is now in. So now we're gonna take that and we're going to, the bottom of the machine has 2 sliding rails. During installation, push the waste collection bin along the bottom of the rail from the front. If the waste collection bin is not properly installed, all 3 indicator lights will flash rapidly. We're gonna make sure the poop does not fall out. Gabby's struggling heavy with those.
Fell out.
The scent fell out. Gabby's still struggling heavily with the rails.
I am. Martha. There you go. Oh, that's where I got stuck.
It's the paper.
Okay.
All right.
Done.
All right, next up, the power port is located at the back of the machine. Plug in the power to use the product. The button functions as power switch. Press and hold to turn the device on or off. The machine turns on by default. Look at the light there. Look at that. Something's happening, Gabby. It's already turning. Unplug it again. I would unplug it. All right, let's turn it back on. Let's put it all together first. Gabby hates stickers. She's a big hater of any stickers that's on this machine.
You have the lid back on for it or no?
Yeah, we should put the lid on. Is that the way it goes on right there? Okay, cool. Alrighty. Now we're gonna plug it in.
Singing.
It sings a little song for you, and I like the light in there. You know, I mean, you get in there, you know. Oh, look at that! It's turning. It looks like a slow washing machine, Gabby.
Yeah. Oh man, there's tape.
Gabby hates tape. Gabby will find tape anywhere. She's like, "There's a piece of tape there. She wants it. She wants it gone."
There.
No, see, I don't see any liners, which to me is wonderful.
There's something here.
Is there a liner there?
I don't know if it's a liner, but it's something. Stop. Look at kisses.
It's doing something.
I guess we just let it go.
I guess. It says the power port is located at the back of the button. Pour cat litter into the litter box through the entrance or the top opening. Okay, well, we're gonna have to wait for it to come back around. It looks like it's coming back around here, and then we need to download the app. You can see it's got Wi-Fi enabled here. We got a Wi-Fi button, we got a trash button, and we got a clean button. Hi Toya can operate the device, answer questions, take notes. For reminders and much more, feel free to ask anything at any time. Got it. All right, so what do I do?
Add device.
Is there an add device button here? It looks like it's at the top. I can't press anything.
Stop.
I'll let Gabby control it again.
Cookie. Add device.
Add device.
Searching. I think it's blinking. So that's something.
All right, so you press and hold that Wi-Fi button there for 3 seconds. It gives you a beep, and then you go in and you begin the process of connect. Alrighty, there it is.
It's being added.
So it's pretty easy. It's adding right now. It's the cat litter box here. So you're supposed to be able to control this with the phone. It is going to download here. Oh, it looks like it downloaded. It's the done button. And there it is. There's your litter box. It's on standby. We got empty, we got clean, we got resets.
It tells you number of times a day.
It tells you how many times they've taken the bathroom breaks during the day. We got standby, we got last toilet duration. God dang, it's gonna tell you how long they sit on the toilet. Ramsey better not be sitting on that toilet long, because we're gonna know now. And there goes the cat right now, all excited about it.
Oh, here's how you change the lights. Did it change?
Oh, it did change. Hit it again, Gabby. Oh, green. There's eagle green. We got blue. We got green, yellow. We got purple. We got, that's white, I guess.
It's supposed to be white.
Yeah.
Oh, you changed the brightness too. Did it get brighter?
Yeah, it did get brighter. And there's dark. That's pretty cool.
Low set. What does that mean? What is it doing?
I don't know what that means. It's not doing anything. Do it again. I don't know what it's doing. Oh, it's for this thing down here. It's changing the brightness on that thing. Yeah, and it's off. So look, it's got all these different control panels here. It's got bright. It's got the flow set, which is your buttons here. It's got the bright for the back lights, and then it's got the delay clean time, which you can set. I guess right now it's set at 6 seconds. 6 minutes? Yeah, so that doesn't scare the cat off. This is this litter box seems to be a lot more sophisticated than the Furrow mate that we had.
Mm-hmm. Didn't have an app.
Didn't have an app. So, all right, we're gonna move this into position. We're gonna get this into classic cat poop position, Gabby. Gabby, assume cat poop position. Alrighty, the litter box has assumed its position. This is our utility room, AKA laundry room, AKA water softener, AKA water heater room. You can see the litter box is now in here. We need to fill it up with some litter next. And then it's going to be ready to be crapped in. It don't get much better than that. Alright, so putting the litter in there is pretty easy. Just pull the lid off.
There you go.
Makes it easy. And then we're going to pour litter down into that hole there.
Alright, hold on. Into the hole.
Litter goes in here. So
there's a max. Yeah, there's a max line.
It's true. It is Costco's finest. Alright, so in goes the litter. I'm trying to make sure I don't go over the max line. Alright, I'm going to have to move it around in here. Oh yeah, it's right there already. Alright, that's it. Not even one full bag.
There you go. Ryder might be the first one.
Save us on litter here.
Ryder, you can be test subject?
Let's see who gets daring enough to want to go in here.
Yep.
Alrighty, put the lid back on. This baby back on. Real easy to put back on. There it is.
There it goes. Ready to go.
So Ryder, I don't think he went in, but he's checking it out over there. He has not went in yet. This is the big test right here. Will they go in? Uh-oh. We might have a winner here. He says, "What are you watching me for?" Is he gonna go in? Or is he not? He's looking in there. He's checking it out. This is the Fumoi Automatic Cat Litter app, and this is the control center of your smart litter box. This is the main dashboard of the Fumoi Automatic Cat Litter Box, and it gives you a full snapshot of your litter box in real time. At the top, you'll see that the device is connected. In this case, the Cat Litter Box M4, along with quick access to customer support if you need assistance. Front and center is the litter box itself, along with how many times it's been used today. Here we see the box has been used 5 times, giving you immediate insight into your cat's activity. Just below this are the manual controls where you can empty the waste bin, start a cleaning cycle, or even reset the unit directly from the app. Scrolling down, we have the operations log, which shows a detailed history of the litter box activity, including when the device entered cleaning mode and when the cleaning cycle was completed. This is especially useful if you want to check that everything is running properly while you're out on vacation. Further down, the app breaks out key stats like the total number of cleanings, the current working status. In this case, it shows it's on standby, and how long the litter box was last visited by your cat. So if your cat was in there 2 minutes, it's going to show that. You'll also be able to see the most recent recorded cat weight, which this is going to be helpful, I think, in monitoring my cat's different weights. Overall, this dashboard makes it easy to stay informed, manage cleanings, and keep track of your cat's litter habits. Alrighty, we have made it to the next day, and I wanted to give you some first day 24-hour thoughts on this litter box. First off, it was easier to set up than I anticipated. Once everything was snapped together, it felt solid, not flimsy, and of course that is a big plus. Functionality-wise, everything we walked through yesterday did exactly what it said it would do. The controls are straightforward. The movement is smooth and nothing felt loud or jarring, which matters a lot if your cats are, let's say, temperamental and judgmental and don't like movement. As for the cats, this is always the wild card. Mine were curious, cautious at first, but by today they were already checking it out and using it. There was no panic, no dramatic protest. So we'll take that as a win. Smell control so far has been solid, but again, it's only been a day. So while I don't know too much yet, the signs are promising. Alrighty, so this is not a long-term review. It's just a day. Again, things do look pretty good. It does feel like it's solidly built. I do have 3 cats, so we're going to test the heck out of it. I think I'll be coming back with a longer video after it's been in use for a little while, so subscribe for that. And I think that's going to wrap it up on the Fumoi Cat Litter Box. I hope you enjoyed this video, find it useful. Please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. You know we love you guys, live problem free. Bye.